Okay, so we're outside and I can't wait to show you how this dash cam works. Now come on over and let me take you for a spin around the vehicle so you can see the junk in the trunk. It will also alert you if you're getting too close to the other car, for example. It looks like an old beater anyways. Hi, my name is Cindy and welcome to the HomeAutomationX channel. Thank you for watching. In this video, we're going to show you how a 3-camera dash cam in your car can protect you from being falsely accused of an accident. It's a must for every car. Like having a video doorbell to protect your home, having a dash cam can protect you from having to pay out insurance costs you were wrongly convicted. Now, if you want to see more of smart home videos like these and videos on cool tech, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon so you can be notified of the latest and the greatest. Also, please use our Amazon links if you shop on Amazon. These links are in every one of our videos and they really help us out. Finally, if you want to see our videos weeks before anyone else, see our Patreon link down below for all the details. Now, I really want to show you this because Rexing sent us a 3-channel dash cam so we could do a review on it. The 2 cameras in the front are adjustable to the point where you can go 180. It's pretty amazing. And they can point in the cabin or straight ahead. And this is awesome because if you get pulled over by the cops, for example, you can rotate either camera depending on which side window they come to. Now, the camera has 4 infrared lights to see inside your cabin at night, and this camera fits under your rear window. Now, a reason I like this camera so much is because it has a great rating on Amazon, which is 4.6 out of 5. That's 92%, and it goes for $220. And you'll have to click on the link below for you to see it. Now, if you've been in an accident, I'm sorry to hear that. Usually the other person always says it's not their fault, and it ends up being this pissing contest. And it's your word against theirs, which is not too comforting. Now, if you had a dash cam like this, you could easily prove your innocence and save yourself hundreds of dollars on insurance fees, plus save you any points you would lose if you were charged wrongfully by the police. The good thing about this dash cam is that all 3 cameras start recording as soon as you turn on your car, so you don't have to remember to do so every time. Also, if you get pulled over by the cops, you can easily rotate the camera and point it at them. Now, I want you to come with me, come out to the car, and take a spin to see it in action. Okay, so we're outside and I can't wait to show you how this dash cam works. Now come on over and let me take you for a spin around the vehicle so you can see the junk in the trunk. It's pretty sweet. Check it out, I already installed it. That's the rear portion. Wait till you see the bad boy in front. All right, guys, so we have it on the windshield now. It goes behind your mirror, so it's tucked away, and you glue it on. And now I'm going to attach this to it, and we're good to go. There we go. All right, so this is a tool that it came with. Now, this is a great way of guiding your cables. So when you're going through it, you just push it along, and you can actually guide the cables. So it's a very unique device. Now, I also want to show you about this fabulous cam here. You can actually flip it around and go 180 degrees. So let's say that you have people in your cabin that you want to capture. That will actually do that for you. Or if there's a cop coming at you from the side, it will capture that way too. And you can do the same on this side, giving you a great range to see. All right, guys, are you ready? Let's take it for a spin and see what it does. All right, guys, so check it out. I'm going to take you on a nice tour here, and you can see how it is going to really play around in this fabulous ride, all right? So let me know what you guys think of my driving. No, I'm just kidding. But really, most of all, how is this dash cam where you have the full scope of looking at the side, for example, if the cars are coming at you, if the cops are coming to the side, you know, it's a great way to get that 180 view and see really what's going on. A lot of times when we're driving, we have blind spots, and this is something that will be able to see that which we don't. So it's always very important. I'm going to go right this time, and we're going to. going to see some new scenery. I'm gonna go down here and visit on our neighbors. And this is a really cool little neighborhood. Not a lot of cars around, not a lot of people around, so it's a lovely day. And the beautiful thing about this is it doesn't matter what kind of weather it is outside. It's, you know, it's going to be able to capture everything. All right, so we're going to turn here and check out how it's working out. I'm going to turn right here, pass by this pretty garden. I'm showing you a range of my driving too, because usually I just show you me being more crazy, but I can also be very calm, very centered, and the cam will catch everything. So truly, it's amazing. Now I missed my street for whatever reason, so I'm gonna have to go back and do that. Just kidding. I didn't, but I had you fooled, didn't I? All right, guys. Are you enjoying this ride? Because I know I am. Let me know. It's a nice car, right? What do you guys drive? All right, so now I'm going to back it into the driveway here because it seems like a fun thing to do. We'll do that. Let's see how it looks like in reverse, even though we did it to begin with, but you know. It will also alert you if you're getting too close to the other car, for example. It looks like an old beater anyways. All right, guys. Let us know what you thought. Maybe I should stop it right here. Okay, bye. Oh, here are some of the features of the dash cam. The Rexing S1 dash cam has 3 cameras and a 2-inch display. The front is 1080p, while the cabin and rear cameras are both 720p, and all 3 cameras have a 170-degree angle lens. The cabin camera has a 4-infrared LED night vision, which can accurately capture the whole cabin, even when the cabin is completely dark. You can download your dash cam recording through Wi-Fi using the TimaCam app right on your phone or tablet and easily share them on social media. Loop recording allows continuous recording even if the 256 gig memory card reaches full capacity. The G sensor locks the current footage if there is a sudden collision to prevent the accidental erasing. While the parking monitor is a great option as well, the dash camera will automatically turn on and record a 20-second video if the car camera detects vibration. I really like this product because of its high rating on Amazon, plus the added comfort it gives you while driving and its ability to rotate to the sides. I mean, I have posted the links down below in the description to when you can get more information on it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it useful, please do share it with others. You can see our latest and greatest videos right here on the side. You can subscribe to see more videos and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. And don't forget, check out our website, HomeAutomationX.com. Thank you for watching.